In this video, I will show you how to automate your sales outreach by drafting hyper-personalized outbound emails in Claude using data directly from Clay. This workflow allows you to scale your messaging without losing that human touch that is so essential for high response rates. First, you need to navigate to your Claude account and prepare your prompt. The key to making this work is using a very specific prompt structure that bridges the gap between your lead data and the AI writer. You should start by asking Claude to look into your Clay account and pull data from your specific lead enrichment table. Make sure you use the exact name of your table so the connection is seamless. From there, you will tell Claude which variables to use from your columns. This usually includes the first name, the company name, and most importantly, your personalization trigger such as a recent LinkedIn post or a specific hiring signal you found. You should also clearly state your value proposition and your primary call to action within the prompt. To ensure the quality of the output, tell Claude to keep the email under 100 words, use a casual tone, and format it perfectly for mobile viewing. Since most prospects read emails on their phones, this formatting rule is a game changer for your conversion rates. Once you run this prompt, Claude will generate a highly relevant message that feels tailor-made for the prospect. This method saves you hours of manual drafting while maintaining a high standard of quality. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you book more meetings.